Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. In today's reading, we are exploring what does he, she think of me. So let's get straight into it. Guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers. Yeah. So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three. Okay, as we explore what does he, she think of me. So if you are new here, big up yourselves. Welcome, welcome. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Okay. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or of beverage as we gather these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. Okay, and see what's going on. Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. So before we begin, let's bring in some good energy into the reads. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's reading. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, I can feel a lot of energy coming through. So, pile one, pile two, or pile three. Go to that number that's calling you as we gather those juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. So, see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile one and we're exploring what does he or she think of me? So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or beverage as we gather these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems and see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois for what is going on, okay? So if you are new here, welcome, welcome. And to our subscribers, big up yourselves. So do give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. All right, let's get straight into the read and see what go on. So what does he slash she think of me? Now this could be anybody. It could be the person in your mind right now, whether it's a crush, someone from the past, or current love interest. Let's see. Ay, 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 ay. We have the Five of Pentacles. Now, with the Five of Pentacles being here, and it's also fallen on pile one, so that I feel like there's a significant energy going on with one representing the energy of new beginnings. And we're seeing the Five of Pentacles. It's an energy of someone feeling like they're left out in the cold, left outside, left not knowing whether they can come in into that warm, cozy environment. Okay. I feel like there's an energy here of somebody wanting a new beginning, perhaps wanting to seek forgiveness or apologize in some way. I feel like there could have been some distance between you and this person, okay? And this person wants to make amends. I feel like perhaps there could have been like several seasons, okay? Take the messages where it resonates, okay? And this person is contemplating, remembering the last memories of you, okay? do have a look at the last time they saw you, okay? Because it does feel like it's bringing those energies through the last time they saw you. So do have a look at the last time they saw you reading, because I feel like there's some significant messages there. But it does feel like someone who wants a new beginning. Okay, let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverbs wants to give you as an additional message for the collective who chose pile one. What does he or she think of me? Okay, we have two that has come out. We have eat with the devil, but give him with a long spoon. So if you eat with the devil, make sure that you give with a very long spoon. A spoon that's long enough that you can retract and pull back. Okay, so this feels like it could be perhaps there has been some difficulty, there has been some challenge here. Okay, because this Jamaican proverb relates to like challenge, dealing with difficult situations, okay, difficult people, okay. So the message here is being to be very strategic, okay, when dealing with difficult people. Now, as we can see with the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles represents an energy of challenge, an energy of adversity, okay. So it feels like there is definitely a, a situation here, okay. Collectively, let us know what's been going on. Put it down in the comments, okay? And we also have book learning is not the only form of intelligence. So book learning and not intelligence, okay? It's not the only form of intelligence. There are several types of intelligence, okay? Artificial, okay? Music, okay? Book and academic is one, okay? We have intuitive, spiritual intelligence, scientific, okay? Mathematical, okay? Music orientated intelligence, okay? So this is an energy about being self-aware. Learn from others and your environment. You can't get all of your learning from books. Now, I feel like this could have been a possible challenge here. Perhaps this person may have, I feel like they might have been someone lazy here or had a kind of lazy outlook and it kind of backfired. Perhaps it was this trying to make assumptions or pre-assumptions that they knew something rather than to ask those questions, to go and seek, to go and find. Okay, and if we look here, what's going on with the Five of Pentacles, we can see these people. It's like they want to go in, but it's like they're not trying. They're not really exploring this door. Okay, and it's kind of like a question of why are they not doing that? Okay, there could be a number of reasons. It could be the lack of knowledge. It could be the lack of confidence. It could be the lack of, let's say, trying. It could be apathy, feeling like they are not worthy, they're not good enough. And I feel like there could be some energy here. Perhaps someone was self-sabotaging, okay, and now has the regrets. And perhaps it's like a new year, a new month, okay, new attitude, and it's making them see, you know, perhaps how I was looking at my glass half empty, it was actually half full. It's just the way I looked at things. Again, book learning is not the only form of intelligence. Okay, so perhaps this person may have thought I'm good at this, but I'm not good at that, rather than say, well, I am actually good at this. Practice makes perfect. Maybe that's all I needed to do. Now, I feel like if this is something in relation to somebody taking that time and effort to commit or prioritize getting to know or making time, I feel like this is what this person is looking at and thinking, I could make time, I could prioritize. Okay, there perhaps this could be in a work issue here. Perhaps there could be a challenge around work, making time for one another, or perhaps this person and it could be via work and it could have perhaps there could be some challenge there. Okay, I feel like there's a number of stories coming through. Okay, right. So let's have a look now into their feelings for you, deck, and see. Let's see what messages want to come through for the collective. What does he or she think of me? What does he or she think of me? We have one coming through. We're going to sing our little shuffle baby to let that energy come through. Do you know the song? Okay. Well, the song is Shuffle Baby. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. All right. So we're going to sing that together. You ready? All right, let's get to it. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby, yeah. Woo! Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Last shuffle. We have quite a few messages here. Someone has something to say. Right, so let's have a look at all of these juicy, juicy messages. Okay. Hope you're sipping on some juice. I'm going to be sipping on my water. I've got water today. Right. Your love is like a drug I can't quit. Your happiness is my happiness. Your love changed me for the better. Seeing you happy makes me happy too, even if it's not with me. I'm just not ready to commit yet. I think about you more often than I should. We can kind of sense that energy. I've never met anyone like you. La la. Do I ever cross your mind? I'm sorry for not realizing your worth sooner. You are the one who got away. And look at this. With the Five of Pentacles, what does it look like? Someone's walking away. Okay? Look at that. Look at all that kind of energy, that warmth in that building, and they're out in the cold. Someone has regrets on the way how they have treated you. Okay? Take it where it resonates, whether it's a crush, a current love interest, or someone from the past. But they do have regrets. I long for the day when we can be together again. So this person may have a lot of fantasies. They may daydream a lot. And with it falling on number one, okay, this can easily represent that energy of them wanting new beginnings, new starts, imagining how it would feel, what it would be like for you to be in their presence again. You are the one thing I can't seem to let go of. Look at this. You are my unfinished love story. I still wear the necklace / jewelry you gave me. So look, there's an additional clue here, collective. Whether it's if this person has some kind of item, if there's been like some kind of mutual exchange of gifts previously, okay, there's a message here that they want you to know that they still wear it, okay? All right, so last but not least, we are going to end with a romantic oracle message. And let's see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile one. What does he / she think of me? What does he / she think of me? For the collective, What does he/she think of me? Something's trying to come through. We have, this could be the one. Now, I feel like could be why they're imaginating a lot of, wondering if this could, if they made a massive mistake. Because we have, you already met the romantic partner you seek. So perhaps even if it wasn't at, let's say, the right time, not the right time, I feel like this person could be looking at the qualities that you have and wants to be around that, and perhaps it's taken them some time to recognize what is it that they truly want and they truly desire. Okay, and I feel like there's a strong remorseful energy here. Let's see what if there's anything else that wants to come out for the collective. Any more messages for the collective? Woo, yes, we have quite a few. We have a message here, true love energy coming through. A message of codependency is in the reverse position. Okay, we have express your love, which is also in the reverse position because there's no expression taking place. We also have the message of a soulmate. So it could have been a soulmate, okay, someone with a strong connection. And we also have let your friends help you in the reverse position. So I feel like this could be an energy of maybe someone is also regretting that they didn't take that time, okay, to go out there to seek, to chat, to to try, okay. I feel like this maybe someone had given up very easily and now is looking back and regretting what they did, okay. So, collective, we're going to leave it here, but take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. Leave it. Okay. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. I saw it go. I saw it go. All right. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Keep sipping, stay hydrated, and we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan, tea sippers. Wagwan, my generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring, what does he/she think of me? Okay. So if you are new here, big up yourselves and wagwan. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, click that like button and click that subscribe button. All right, so we're going to get straight into the read. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage. I'm sipping on some water today. Okay, give us a little hello and let us know where you are watching from around the world. All right, let's see what Gwan. Okay. We have the Queen of Swords in the reverse position. Okay, and we have the Temperance. Now, what does he or she think of me? I feel like someone is nervous. There's an energy of someone who is nervous to make a move, to step forward. Now, it has fallen on pile 2. So I feel like it is someone that you know. Perhaps you may have had some time or some experiences with this person. Perhaps there may have been some moments where there's been some disagreements, maybe not always seen eye to eye on things, and this, I feel like it could have resulted to some heated discussions, okay. And perhaps there could be like an air and fire factor here because we have the Queen of Swords, which represents the air signs. So think of Geminis, Libras, and the Aquarius, and then we have the Sagittarius energy from the Temperance. So think of the fire signs like Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries, okay? So it does feel like perhaps there could have been a there could be some kind of, it feels like there's some kind of energy, like this person might be feeling a bit apprehensive, anxious, nervous to come towards. But if we see here with the temperance, I feel like this person wants to make amends, okay? Wants to go back into alignment. Now, if we have the two, okay, the energy of the two here. Now, look what's going on in the temperance card. Can you see that? Okay, we have the angel, okay, representing the angel of like Archangel Raphael, okay? That symbolizes the energy of healing, okay? Bringing placing two cups together, okay, doing a little mixing, okay, and letting that energy of synchronicity flow back into fruition, okay. And I feel like this is what this person wants to do. This person has ambitions of bringing things back to life, back to reality. Now this message came through in the last reading, the last time they saw you, okay. The song by Soul to Soul, back to life, back to reality. Okay, it feels like someone who wants to come back to the here and now. Okay, by making peace, putting their one foot in that water, getting themselves wet, knowing that they might have to face, okay, perhaps a bit of adverse or challenging moments. But I feel like it's the energy of saying, I just want to make peace, and for you to understand me, for you to hear me out, for me to just say how I really feel. I feel like there is definitely someone who wants to say how they truly feel, and really hope that the two of you can be in alignment again of building, taking time to know or get to know one another, or even starting from the foundation and then building that foundation. But first, on the focus on getting to know one another. Okay, it feels very much like this is what this person wants to do, is focus on the temperance energy. Let's just make peace. Let's start with that peace. Let's start with that healing. Okay, and working around that. So let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverbs have. What does the Jamaican proverbs want the collective to know right now? What does he/she think of me? Let's see what message wants to come through for the collective. What does he/she think of me? Oh, we have one popping out here. We have ay, 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 ay. So I feel like someone wants to confess, someone wants to talk, someone wants to tell you their situation. I feel like someone wants to help you understand the way they do things, or why they've done things, okay? Because we have this message here. Every cave hole has its own duppy. Okay, so think of this is basically the proverb or the saying of every cupboard, or every cupboard has its own skeletons. Okay, it's basically the same thing. So every cave hole, every cave hole, I mean, one duppy. Duppy represents like spirits or ghosts, okay, from the past that you try to tuck away, hide it under the carpet, hide it under a cave, a cupboard, okay? And I feel like this is what this person is trying to, wants to kind of express. I feel like when it comes to their feelings, I feel like they could have put their feelings aside, okay? And perhaps it could be they may have struggled with dealing with like feelings of love, feelings of emotions, and may have sabotaged that in the past, or tried to find ways of appearing very guarded or very poker face. And I feel like that has resulted to the opposite situations, okay? Like getting into very heated discussions or arguments, and it's not what they want, but I think it was also a way of how they managed dealing with their emotions or feelings, and now it's like the temperance being here is like it's they've had some kind of like realization that it was working against them, it wasn't supporting them, it wasn't helping them, it wasn't aiding them. Okay. And it's like this person is now coming to realize, I just want to take this weight off my chest. I want to just confess. I want to tell you my story so you can understand me. Okay. And take this where it resonates, whether it's a crush or current love interest or from someone from the past. Okay. Because here we got everyone has their own skeletons. So I feel like this person really just wants to lighten that load. Now, if you see the Queen of Swords energy, it is a very guarded energy. It's someone who's ready to pop, 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 pop. Okay, you better know how you better come correct when you talk to me. It's giving that energy, the Queen of Swords. Okay, so now when it's in this position, it's like, oh, I'm angry, I'm cross, I'm miserable. Okay, but the temperance is saying, I come in peace. I come in peace and I want to realign back into a healing energy. Do you see how do you hear how calm? Okay? Just by picking up that temperance card, it's creating that sense of calm and serenity in the air. Okay? Ooh la la. The song that's coming through is Love is in the Air. Everywhere I look around. Okay. Ooh la la. So it could be someone who is like no longer wanting to play games. Perhaps it could be someone who used to be playing games and now they're like, I need to, I want to settle down. I want to set some roots down. And that's not going to work if I continue to do what I was doing. So let's have a look at some messages from the Feelings for You deck. Let's see what's come through. Okay, we're going to sing our little song, Shuffle Baby. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Yeah. Shuffle baby. Yeah. Shuffle baby. Yeah. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle, ooh. We got a few. Hey. Ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what messages want to come through for the collective. All right. So we have, every time I close my eyes, all I see is you. All I see is you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I think about you more often than I should. Okay? So some similar messages coming through in pile one. So do have a look at pile one as well. I'm trying to be better for you. I'm trying to be better. Okay? This person also needs to be better for themselves. Okay? Always bear that in mind, collective. As much as, someone could be really wanting, they have to want to do it for themselves. Okay? I'm sorry if I pushed you away. And we can see that with the Queen of Swords in this energy. That's like, it's definitely been like an energy of being pushed, an energy of just like, I'm at my last tether now. I'm had enough. Okay? You are the only one who could ever make me feel complete. Now, I feel like this person may have some kind of codependency issues or some issues with their own confidence, self-esteem, okay? And perhaps maybe relying on others. I yearn for your touch. I yearn for your touch. Your love is the only thing I crave. Ooh la la. You are the person I compare everyone else to. So this person has put you on a high regard, okay? I wish we could go back to how things used to be, okay? how things used to be. But the question is, how things used to be, were they enough? Okay, so we're going to have a look now. Before we come to the end of this read, we're going to have a look at some messages from the Romantic Angels Oracle deck. And let's see what wants to come through for the collective. What does he slash she think of me? Let's just channel that energy into the cards. What does he slash she think of me? What does he slash she think of me? For the collective who chose pile 2, we have this is the romance of a lifetime. Someone is looking at you and they are seeing this as an opportunity of true love, an opportunity to embrace. We do have that temperance energy, and that temperance energy is also significant with the energy of soulmate energy. Look at the Two of Cups there. Okay, it's a dead giveaway. Okay, so there's definitely an energy of someone seeing you as a potential partner, a life partner. Okay, or love interest. Okay, any more messages? Yes, we have a few for the collective. I'm also going to pull out this one here that's trying to pop through. All right, so we have playfulness. So, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. We have chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Collective, let us know what's going on. Put it down in the comments. All right, we have pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you, okay? And I feel like it could be in a message as well about this person opening up, okay? Because we did see this energy of skeletons. Everyone has skeletons, but I feel like it's also an energy of the coming together is also having to embrace one another's differences, okay? There's an energy of flirt. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Wedding. Okay, this situation involves marriage. It's in the reverse position, but it could be that this person has seen or thought of you in this light. We have separation, so it definitely could be someone that there has been a separation. Okay, it was in the reverse position, but I feel like the message here is there could have been some distance between you and this person. Okay, we have here, stay optimistic. Always stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. And I feel like this is what the reminder is from the temperance and the energy of the Archangel Raphael. Healing is required here. Okay. And we have to free yourself. I was about to say let yourself, just to let yourself go, or to let rewind. Sometimes we have rewind moments. To let feelings of the feelings that are not serving you, the feelings that are not aligned, let them go. And I feel like that's where the 2 is coming through, because it's like an energy of trying to bring yourself back into alignment, bring yourself back into that space, freeing yourself from anything that is not serving you. Okay, because as you free yourself, you allow doors to open to bring in more opportunities, okay, in all areas of your life. So are you ready to take it? Okay, start now. Ooh la la. So, collective, we're going to leave it here on what does he slash she think of me. So take the messages where it resonates and leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican power. And it simply means this is how it goes around here. So, big up yourselves. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Okay, keep sipping, stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we have pile three, and we're exploring what does he slash she think of me. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage as we gather these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. Okay, so let's get straight into it and give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Right, let's see. Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. Let's have a look. We have the moon and it's in the reverse position. Now it's also fallen on the energy of pile three. So three represents the energy of growth and expansion. Now, this is kind of telling us with the moon representing, think of the energy of the divine feminine. Think of the energy of feelings, hidden feelings. Okay. It's like an energy of overwhelm. Okay. I feel like this person wants to get into this energy with you, with the as we see the free here of moving towards an energy of growth and expansion. However, they need to overcome these crippling, it feels like these kind of crippling feelings that are holding them back. Okay, there's definitely an energy of holding back. So it's like on one wavelength they want to move forward, and then the next is kind of like taking them back. So I feel like there's a lot of feelings here, okay? If you are wondering how they feel, there's a lot of feelings, a lot of hidden feelings. So we're going to dive into some of those hidden feelings, okay? Let's start with the Jamaican proverbs because the Jamaican proverbs always kind of gives us that straight talking, straight to the point, messages, okay? And it can give us some hints, some clues on what's going on. Let's have a look. So what does she think of me? What does he slash she think of me? We have two. Ay, 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 ay. We have here, if you save money, money will save you. If you save money, money will save you. If you save money, darling, money will save you. Okay, so invest for the future. Invest, save for the future. So it feels like this person is, I feel like this person is really thinking about their future. They're thinking about a future with you. They're thinking about securing themselves. They're thinking about really setting a foundation, creating a foundation. So it feels like this person is going through a lot of feelings, a lot of emotions at this time. We also have this energy. Doppy no who fi frighten. Doppy no who fi frighten. This simply means a duppy is, I think, like an entity, a ghost, or a spirit. So it's the idea that this person is being thrown off, okay? Thrown off by fear, okay? And their fears, their feelings, their worries are now is now taking them over like they've just seen a ghost. They've just seen something out of the ordinary, okay? And it's holding them back. So if we had that energy earlier of the energy of power three coming through, so representing the energy of growth, representing the energy of expansion, but then their feelings, okay, and it seems like a lot of sabotaging negative feelings are holding them back. Okay, and that's really creating a heavy weight. So I feel like this person has a heavy weight on their shoulders, and it's like they're in conflict with themselves. Okay, imagine this person having like a punching gloves. It's like one glove is saying, I want to move forward, the other glove is saying, no, I don't know, I'm not ready. I'm kind of it's like they're frozen in their fears, okay, or their fears are making them feel frozen, okay. Now, again, if this is someone, a current love interest, a crush, or someone from the past, it could be like they're feeling these kind of feelings of apprehension. What should I do? Should I move forward? And it's like they're trying to fight and overcome their feelings of fear, okay, to express themselves, okay. So the energy of the up, who've been writing, it can also represent the energy of bullies, intimidation, okay, and that feeling of wanting to protect, okay. So in a weird way, this person could be protecting themselves by not moving forward, even though they want to move forward, okay? Because they might be not ready yet, because they're trying to overcome their own feelings of fear, okay? There's definitely a very strong feeling of fear, or feeling like they're very intimidated by your presence. So let's have a look in their feelings for you, deck, and let's see what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. I'm going to take a good sip of water. Let us know what you are sipping on today. And we're going to sing our Shuffle Baby song. Okay? Let's shuffle and start to sing. Bringing in some channeled messages through. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Ooh, shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby, yeah. 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 I'll shuffle. Thank you. All right. Ay, 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 ay. Let's have a look at all of these juicy, intuitive gems. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so we have here, I still hold on to the hope of us coming back together. Okay. I wish things were different between us. Your absence is a constant reminder of what I lost. If you look carefully at that moon, okay, look at the face. Look and see what's going on. This face is full of worry. Okay. Perhaps you could have been dealing with a water sign, or you may be a water sign. Okay. With the moon representing that energy of the water signs. So the Pisces could be a Scorpio or a Cancer, or perhaps they could have or be navigated in that energy. Okay. As the water signs represents that strong energy of the emotions, okay. You are the person that I compare everyone else to. Now, I believe this came through in pile 2, so do you have a look at pile 2? Seeing you makes me happy too, even if it's not with me. So I feel like this person is like trying to make peace. It could be, perhaps if it is a separation, they're trying to make peace with the closure. Okay, if it's like a crush or a current love interest that has shown interest or has an interest, it's almost like they are trying to get their, oh, like get themselves to a place where they can accept that if it doesn't materialize where they would like it, they're glad that they still had the privilege of getting to know you. But I feel like that is again part of their fears, okay, that is holding them back, intimidating them from moving forward, stepping forward, expanding, growing. Okay, there's an inner conflict here, inner conflict going on, and that moon can represent that inner conflict, as well as the Jamaican proverb that we have, that Duppy knows who to frighten. Okay, so it's their own fears that are creating this sense of feeling lost, feeling not knowing where to go, where to turn, feeling a feeling of confused, feeling confused. Okay, I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. So, you see, as we are looking a bit deeper, we're diving in, we're starting to see a lot of those kind of like fears coming through. Okay, I'm sorry if I pushed you away. Seeing you with someone else breaks my heart. I can't imagine life without you. So I feel like it's a lot of their fears coming through. My love for you is still strong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hurting you. I'm trying to be better for you. Now, this came up in pile two. And collective, I always say this person has to be better for themselves, not just to be better for you. They have to be better for themselves, because that's where self determination, self like will, is that's where it all comes from. Them making that choice to want to do better for themselves, them wanting to grow, them wanting to expand. And as we can see, there is an inner conflict going on with stepping forward, okay, and wanting to do things, pushing themselves out of that energy so that they can move. And we can see that they are kind of stuck in this, I don't know what to do. I feel intimidated by my feelings. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Okay, this person needs that time, or they may need that time. Okay, and it can be maybe perhaps on the divine timing until they get themselves and get their act together to then be able to release themselves, because it does feels like they're under the shackles of their worries and their fears, and it feels like even fears that that they haven't seen, but it's holding them back. Okay, I think about you more often than I should. Oi, 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 oi. Look at this. This is a deep clue on what's going on with how they're thinking, what's going on. Okay, so if you've been wondering what's going on, here's a clue. So, collective, we are going to look into the romantic oracles now, okay, as the last couple of messages before we close the read. So let's have a look and see what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. What does he/she think of me? Okay, let's have a look and see what's to come through for the collective. Okay, let's have a look. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And it really helps the algorithm to do its thing. Okay, we have a couple of messages here, collective. We have, look at this. Healing family issues. So there could be some issues that have around in their feelings, and being able to be comfortable with showing emotions, expressing their feelings, dealing with their emotions. That it could stem from some family issues, some inner child issues that this person may need to just take some time to work on. Okay, because we have here your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So there could be some issues around how they witnessed, how they saw love, and how it may have impacted or shaped their view on love. We have you deserved love. Now it's come out in the in the reverse position. And I feel like perhaps, take it where the message resonates. It's like I feel like it's a reminder to say, you are lovable. You got to believe in yourself. And we can see there's like a lot of self-doubt energy here. Okay. But I feel like the message is saying you got to believe in yourself, know that you are worthy. You are worthy of love. Okay. And practice self-love. Loving yourself is something that you have to practice daily to really get the reap those benefits. Okay. And we have this message here about loving yourself first. And I feel like there's definitely an energy of empowerment here. It's like a self-love and empowerment is really coming through here. That someone, I feel like someone really needs to hear these words of empowerment and knowing that you are lovable, that you deserve to be loved. And if you've been in a situation where perhaps this person may have kind of given you on and off signs or on and off messages, or sometimes feeling where you don't know where you really stand, I feel like it's a message of saying choose yourself. You got to choose yourself. Choose yourself, love yourself. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive, and more importantly, when you take that opportunity to love on yourself, it's going to open many doors for you. And that person, okay, who may have given you those messages where you don't know where you stand, may later down the line regret those actions, okay? And sometimes it's the way how things work. As once you start to work on yourself, it's like it creates this energy shift in this other person realizing, oh, I'm not sensing their energy anymore. Perhaps they've moved on. Perhaps they're feeling they're no longer wondering about me, and then it may create this energy where they're trying to chase you. Okay. So I feel like if you have been caught up in this energy where maybe you've been chasing, I feel like it's the message is saying to love on yourself and choose you at this time. Okay. Because we have, yes, express your love. It's in the reverse position. So it does feel like here we got go ahead and make the romantic gesture. But I feel like it coming out in the reverse position is a meaningful message that it appears that expression of love has not really been taking place here. Again, it does feel like someone wants to do it, but they're in a conflict with it. So it does feel like it's definitely in the energy of you having to choose yourself and not get caught up in a runner and chase kind of energy. Okay. So by choosing yourself, this is how you free yourself from that dynamic. Okay. So we're going to leave it here, collective, but take the messages that resonate and leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest, okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan.